Easy as duck soup. Understanding an amusing English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and somewhat quirky English phrase, duck soup. This phrase might conjure up images of actual soup, but its meaning in the English language is quite different and interesting. So, if you're ready to expand your English idiomatic knowledge, let's get started. Duck soup is an American English idiom that dates back to the early 20th century. This phrase doesn't have anything to do with cooking or ducks, surprisingly. Instead, when someone says something is duck soup, they mean it's extremely easy to do, requiring very little effort. It's similar to other expressions like a piece of cake or as easy as pie. Let's look at an example. If someone finds math problems very easy to solve, they might say, "For me, these math problems are duck soup." The origins of duck soup are a bit unclear, but there are a few theories. One popular theory suggests that it comes from the idea that ducks are easy to shoot while hunting, hence doing something as easily as making duck soup. Another theory links it to the 1933 Marx Brothers comedy film titled Duck Soup, which popularized the phrase. However, the phrase was in use before the film, so it's more likely that the film's title came from the already existing idiom. Now, let's talk about using duck soup in everyday English. This phrase is informal and generally used in casual conversations. It's a fun way to express that something is easy without resorting to more common phrases. For instance, after learning to ride a bike, one might say, "Once I got the hang of it, riding was duck soup." Remember, while it's a colorful expression, it might be less familiar to non-native speakers, so use it in contexts where it can be understood from the situation. Besides duck soup, English is rich in expressions that convey the ease of doing something. Phrases like a walk in the park, child's play, or a breeze all share similar meanings. It's interesting to note that different cultures have their own versions of this expression, which makes exploring idiomatic language so fascinating. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, duck soup. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're now more confident in understanding and maybe even using this quirky expression in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is never duck soup, but every new phrase you learn makes it a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.